think you are doing dips correctly. Most people are not. Even if you have been doing them for months, one small mistake can put unnecessary stress on your shoulders, elbows, and triceps without you realizing it. In this video, I will show you step by step how to perform dips safely and effectively. You will learn how to feel your chest and triceps working, avoid injuries, and build stronger arms and shoulders. By the end, your dips will feel completely different, and you will know how to do them correctly every time. Dips are one of the best exercises for your upper body because they work your chest, triceps, shoulders, and even your core all at once. If done correctly, dips can help you build upper body strength faster than push-ups alone. They also improve shoulder stability and help with other exercises like bench press and overhead press. Think of dips as a foundation for your upper body. Just like a building needs a strong base, your upper body needs a strong foundation to grow stronger and stay safe from injuries. Proper dips can give you better arm size, chest development, and functional strength for everyday movements. Before we dive into the correct technique, let's talk about the mistakes most people make. The first mistake is letting the shoulders lift or roll forward. This puts stress on the shoulder joint and reduces activation in your chest and triceps. Another common mistake is letting the elbows flare out to the sides. This makes your dip unstable and less effective. Many people also go too shallow, which does not fully work the muscles, or too deep, which can strain the shoulders. Swinging the legs or using momentum is another problem. Momentum does not build strength, control does. Lastly, rushing through the reps too quickly reduces effectiveness and can lead to sloppy form. Understanding these mistakes will make learning the correct form much easier. Start by grabbing the bars about hip width apart. Your grip should be firm but comfortable, not too tight. Step back slightly and set your shoulders down and back. Imagine sliding your shoulder blades into your back pockets. This creates a stable base and protects your shoulders during the dip. The setup is very important because if your shoulders are not stable, the rest of the movement will feel off, and you are more likely to injure yourself. Take a moment to adjust and feel your body ready before you start the first rep. Engage your core lightly. You do not need to tense it like a crunch, just enough to stabilize your torso. Lean your body slightly forward, just enough to maintain balance. Keep your legs together and steady. Imagine your body as a bridge. Your core and legs are the pillars. If the pillars wobble, the bridge is unstable. Keeping your body tight and controlled is essential for safe and effective dips. Lower yourself slowly. Your elbows should move straight behind you, not out to the sides. Stop when your elbows reach about a 90-degree angle. You should feel a gentle stretch in your chest and tension in your triceps. If your shoulders pinch or hurt, do not go lower. Adjust your angle and keep your movements controlled. Lowering slowly and with control is more effective than trying to go very deep quickly. Think of lowering as controlling a car down a hill. Smooth, steady, and intentional. Push yourself back up using your chest and triceps. Keep your shoulders down and back and do not shrug. Lock out your arms at the top while keeping your core tight and legs steady. Focus on quality over quantity. One slow and controlled rep is better than 10 fast and sloppy ones. Imagine you are lifting the bars through your chest instead of just moving your body upward. Controlled movement builds strength and prevents injuries. If dips feel too hard at first, don't worry. You can use a resistance band under your knees or feet to reduce the weight you are lifting. Start with partial range of motion and gradually increase the depth as you get stronger. Focus on doing fewer reps with perfect form instead of more reps with poor form. Remember, dips are tough even for beginners, and consistency is more important than how many you can do. 5 perfect reps are better than 20 sloppy ones. Once you get stronger, you can slow down your reps. Lower in 3 seconds and push up in 1 second. Slightly leaning forward will engage your chest more. You can also pause for 1 second at the bottom to increase time under tension. These small changes help you build strength faster and improve your mind-muscle connection. Remember, controlled movement beats speed every time. For advanced lifters, you can try weighted dips using a belt or holding a dumbbell between your legs. Pausing 2 to 3 seconds at the bottom increases intensity. A slight forward lean targets the lower chest more effectively. Always keep strict form no matter how much weight you add. Form is more important than weight. Sloppy dips with heavy weight do not give results and can cause injury. When performing dips, remember these points. Keep your shoulders down and back. Keep your elbows moving straight behind you. Not out to the sides. Keep your core tight and legs steady. Lower only to 90 degrees. And perform each rep slow, smooth, and controlled. Think of each rep as a lesson in control and strength. Your body learns faster when you move with precision and focus. To recap, grip hip width, shoulders down and back, slight forward lean, core tight, legs still, elbows behind you. Lower to 90 degrees and push up with control. Now here's your challenge. Do 10 perfect reps using this technique. No swinging, no rushing, and no sloppy movements. Feel the difference in your chest and triceps. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and your dips will get stronger every day. You've got this.